Alright, creating the smart logo. First, save UCU logo first, and let's open the Photoshop and new project. It's for me, it's width for 400 and height for 300, but it doesn't matter. So click OK, and this is gonna be the dimension of the project. We're gonna use a new layer and click this button to create a new layer. Now create a circle by using the elliptical marquee tool. Then fill it up with green color. So pick the green one, then click the paint bucket tool and fill it up with green. Right. So after you fill after creating the green circle, let's create the inner one. So by creating a new layer and filling it up with white color. Paint bucket tool, and then Control T to enlarge or decrease the size of the circle, the inner circle. Press enter. So we can enlarge them both by holding Control and clicking the both layers, and Control T and enlarge them. Now click enter, and we're gonna put text in this circular area. To do that, we're gonna use the ellipse tool, but setting it as a path, not a shape. Now this will create a work tool here as a path for the text to follow later on. So let's try. Let's create now we can Control T to enlarge it again and set the path to in the side of the circle. So this will be the path of the text. click enter. Then we will add the text. Now the horizontal type. So it is important to align it at the center text here. It will change into curve, which means it will follow the path it will take. So let's put our net. Right. So we're gonna make sure the text will be on the center of the circle. The ellipse tool again. For the another path inside the white circle. Set it in the edge of the circle and click enter. So add text. Select the color is blue. Oh. Put it top of the layers. Okay. So it's series. Expensive. Oh. Change the font into 400. Next, we're gonna put text outside of the circle. So put smart, just hold control and set the size into 1000 and align it in the center of the circle. Now we will add the image. Click open. So select the UCU logo and then drag the layer of the opened image to the main project. Will be the layer 5. Now, layer 5, drag the image and put it in the center of the circle. Now create a new layer for the hand. So start from the bottom. And color it with color like a color of skin. Now click the layer 6, which is the hand, and Control J to copy it. Now click Control T to select the copied one. Flip horizontal. And then connect it like that. Alright.